Sabi mo, welcome to Tats Beach Resort.
Welcome to Tats Beach Resort!
Here in Bolong,
Beach!
Zamboanga City.
Zamboanga City! Zamboanga City!
Bye-bye, guys.
Bye-bye, guys! And click our subscribe video to our like and subscribe all the channels or videos or YouTube or Facebook. See you later!
Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!
Ito, nag-iihaw kami. Yung brat ko, si Raul. Bayaw ko, si Jepoy. Sister-in-law ko, si Tata. Sister ko nandito, busy. Chef daw siya ngayon. Gumagawa ng kilawin. Tuna. Nagbablog yung dalawa kanina. Sabi ko, sige, salita kayo. Ayan ang beach. Gazebo. Si mother, yung pamangking ko, dalawa nandun. May cottage sa taas. Pwedeng matulog. May tree house. Ayun, ganda.